Hi guys, and welcome back to Coffee with My Sunshine. I hope you all are having a fabulous day. And if you're new to my channel, I would love for you to stick around and become part of my YouTube family. So today I thought I would share with you some more gift wrapping ideas. And these are actually all different kind of gift bags that you can make for holidays, birthdays, showers, whatever special occasions. And these are all fairly inexpensive to make. Most of the items were from either Walmart or the Dollar Tree. So if you'd like to see how I created these, please keep watching. Also, don't forget to check out my last video. I made these really cute rustic natural type packages for really cheap. So for these bags, you can use any type of paper. You can use anything from like a pretty magazine, maybe an old calendar. You can use scrapbook paper, craft paper, whatever you have. You can use paper bags like in my last video. But for this first one, I'm just going to be using this, it's like this calligraphy book that I got from the Dollar Tree. I thought it was super cute and had some fun pages in it. So after finding the page I wanted to use, I was just kind of eyeballing it to see the sizes that I want. And for this first bag, you're just going to take the sides of the paper and fold it towards the center. And you can go ahead and measure this out so you get it exact if you want. I just kind of eyeballed it. And because I like these flowers on this side, I'm going to actually be using this side, but normally you would be using the other side because there wouldn't be a fold. You couldn't see the, where they come together. You would be using this side. And usually you would tape it down the center, but I decided I wanted to use hot glue because, then you can't see the tape or anything. Then you're going to fold the bottom, and this is where you're going to get how wide the bag is, I guess, or how narrow. Then after you fold it, you're going to open up the bottom and fold in the sides towards the center. This is going to be creating the bottom of the bag. And mine is not even, but that's okay. And then from there, you're going to take the top and bottom and fold them towards the center. And I did a little bit of an overlap, that way it wasn't going to pop open. And here you can glue it or tape it. You can glue it and tape it, however you want to do it. For future, I think when I make these bags, I'm going to be doing both, probably hot glue and taping it just for security. Then you're going to stick your hand in there and pop open the bag, push out the corners of the bottom. And then if you wanted, you could decorate the back. Normally, like I said, that would be the front, but I liked the flowers anyway. And you can fold over the top after you put your goodies in there. And then you can take a hole punch if you're going to be adding a ribbon. And you put 2 punches in the top and then thread the ribbon through. And then this will just keep it shut. You can just tie a little bow, or like on the other bag, you can use a clothespin, which I thought the clothespin idea was super cute because then you could write the person's name on the clothespin. And then that way the bag can be reused just like the bags that you get from a store. And for this one, for some reason, I forgot to hit record, so I had started folding it, but you're going to start the same process where you fold the sides in. And for this one, I folded the top over first, and then you fold the sides in towards the center. And like I said, next time I'm going to be using hot glue. Yeah, don't crease the center there. I used that to eyeball where the center was, so that I could fold the edges in. Don't do that because then it leaves a ugly crease in the middle. Then like the last one, you're going to fold the bottom up, however big you want the bag to be, like however wide. And then you're going to fold in the sides like last time and fold the top and bottom in to make the bottom of the bag. Again, you're going to tape it, and this one's just a little bit different because we're going to crease the edges so that it's more of a not square, a rectangle. And you're going to pop out the bottom corners, and then while you have your hand in there, you're going to find where the corners are and just start creasing up the edge. You can do it nicer than I am. I know there's an easier way. If you would have just left it folded, you could fold the edges so that you already see where those corners are going to be, but I just went ahead and did it this way. It was easy enough. And then for this bag, I'm going to do 4 hole punches. That way I can have 2 handles. See what I mean about the tape? I didn't like the look of it, so I'm going to be using hot glue. And then make sure you knot the ribbon. I did double knot so that it didn't pull through. You could even hot glue the little ends of the ribbon on the inside of the bag so you know it's going to stay. And I think this one's really cute because it has that little fold on the top. It just adds a little something. And if you had like 2-sided paper, that would look really cute. And yes, this fabric is very wrinkly, but that's okay. I'm still going to show you how I did this. So for this bag, you're going to fold over the top, and you want to leave kind of a gap. Don't glue it all the way down to the other side. You want to leave a gap so that you can slide a ribbon through. And here you can sew this. You can use the no-sew iron-on stuff or hot glue. The high heat hot glue gun worked awesome. So you're going to glue the sides together. And then for the bottom, you're going to fold in kind of like a hem. Fold it in first. And then glue the 2 folded pieces together. Or like I said, sew it however you want to do it. I'm not a sewer. If you've been with me for a while, you know this. And then the bottom looks more finished that way. And then here I forgot to leave a gap there to put the ribbon through, so I got to pull it apart. Just like that. And then for mine, I was going to do ribbon, but I wanted a little something different, so I just added some twine. And I'm using a paper clip, that way it's easier to thread through that little gap in the bag. And you're just going to kind of squish it through and then hang on to the paper clip as much as you can and then kind of pull the fabric away just like that. And then just keep wiggling it through till you get to the other end. And this is going to be one of those like cinch sack type gift bags. And then to dress it up a little bit, if you want, you can add little ornaments or tags, however you want to do it. I'm just going to be adding this ornament that I found from the Dollar Tree, and it's a little reindeer. I thought it was super cute and a little bit glam. They have these cute Christmas trees too, which I'm going to add to packages this year. That would be really pretty on that dark color bag. And here it is all finished. I hope you guys like these gift bag ideas, and I think I'm going to have at least one more video on gift wrapping, I think, if I can get it finished. And then next week, I'm hoping I will have a really fun video for you. I'm doing a collab with a new YouTube friend of mine. So keep your eye open for that. So let me know in the comments down below what your favorite way of wrapping gifts are. If you do, you know, your own, whether it's bags, boxes, or gift wrapping. And let me know how you like this video. And here I just inserted a few of the bags that didn't quite make the cut because I either screwed them up or I just didn't like the way they looked, but I thought I would show you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks so much for all your love and support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!